Hey man, did you know you could use cats as machine guns?
Hold on 1 second.
Anyway, what are you doing?
You gotta finish something.
Okay, what are you doing?
Gotta finish something really quick.
Alright.
I will tell you in a second. Can you just pass me those Kleenex?
Yeah.
All cleaned up.
Okay, seriously, what were you doing?
Just painting this picture. You know I'd moan when I paint my fort.
You know, that's actually what I thought you were doing.
But by the way, I wanna break when put this dress aside. But above all,
Hey man, what's up?
Not much. My mom's making me clean my room.
Ah, that sucks.
Yo, what the heck's this?
It says a game, but I've never seen one that big.
What's it called?
Thinking ladders?
Wow.
I'm never good with playing with the sack. Is it a one-eyed snake?
No.
Speaking of which, I got a one-eyed snake to attend to. I'm coming, Case Challenger, calm down.
Let's see what system it works on.
Yeah, let's get back.
He's climbing in your windows, he's snatching your people up, trying to rape them, so y'all need to hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husband, cause they raping everybody out here. You don't have to come and confess, we're looking for you, we gon' find you, we gon' find you, so you can run and tell that, run and tell that, run and tell that, on what, on.
I don't know, dude, maybe you don't have the right system.
What's it? Whoa, the top comes off.
Maybe it's like a built-in system.
Is there any cords for the TV?
I don't know, are there any controllers?
No, let's just take a look. Nah, there's an instruction manual.
Read it up!
I can't read. Here. You do it.
That's the English side. Oh, I've heard of these! They are board games. Let's try it.
check it out right here now.
I know you've been down for days and everything that I can say. Don't think about it anyways, and now I'm in a better place. I don't have the phone that rings. Our purpose sings and I said I won't stop for anything. So, what you gonna say, my love? Gonna buy me? What? Gonna try me? No. Gonna want me? Gonna think of anything you can justify me? Even when you know you were never really part of me. So is the real me? And it's the new me. Sort of thing you think I knew or committed naughty. To realize I wasn't ready.
Oh my gosh, dude, this is so boring.
Yo, let's go get a Coke.
Yeah!
Alright, let's actually play by the rules this time.
Fine. Alright, then each player pick a character.
Okay, I'm Batman.
Alright, well, I'm gonna be a stormtrooper then.
You don't actually be the guy, you just be his character on the board.
Fine, I'll use this one. But I'm keeping the helmet off.
Alright, now what do we do? Whatever.
Alright, so it says, each player roll the dice.
This is the, I guess this is the dice, but like, it's like a cube. How do you roll it?
I don't know, just throw them and see where they land.
Alright.
In the body world.
Okay, you told me to roll the dice, so I threw it.
I meant throw them onto the board, gently, not out the window. Now we gotta go find those.
No, we don't. Because, see, I have an extra pair.
You brought your own dice?
Always bring your own dice.
Never bring your own dice.
Okay, whatever. Just, what do we do?
Roll them gently on the board.
Alright.
Okay, so that equals 3.
So,
Now you have to move your guy to the 4.
alright. So, 3 places. Wait, we have to do math?
Yeah.
Every time?
Yeah.
Serious.
What did you do that for?
Look, it didn't have controllers, it didn't have graphics, it didn't have anything. Didn't even have electric going to it. It's not even a game.
Adam, we've become so desensitized by controllers, one-line play and graphics that we don't remember what it's like to spend an evening sitting around the table with your family and friends, playing a board game and having a cheerful night.
Cause you're the apple to my pie, you're the straw to my berry, you're the smoke to my high, and you're the one I want.